So I'm at Trinnov right now. Just got a walkthrough of the Altitude CI. Very, very interesting system. He showed us the mic calibration mic and what it can do. So you no longer need an external battery for the calibration mic. The CI on the Altitude actually is, I guess, like the phantom power that can control the microphone. Also, you don't need an external USB for the information from the mic to get to the device. He said that the microphone's got internal storage. That way, everything is just seamless. I thought that was pretty cool. He showed us a walkthrough through setting up the setup wizard, setting up all the speakers, calibrating everything, waveforming, and everything seems really, really easy and simple. So I think they hit the mark when it comes to simplicity and setting up uh, the entire system, because everybody knows with the altitude 16 and the 32, before that the setup was very, very convoluted, and a lot of times you would need an integrator to do it. They made it to where just anybody can do it, or if you don't want to deal with it at all, you can have an integrator, or you can have somebody do it remotely through IP or whatever, which is very interesting. As far as I'm concerned, I like it. I don't know. The only thing we got to see is whether or not the audio sync delay is going to be fixed. He's saying that they had to rewrite all of the software from the ground up to try to get it more modernized to where the Trinnov understands a lot of different devices better. So it doesn't have to continue to reset and try to start over with handshake issues and stuff like that. It's going to be a smooth, seamless process. But we'll see how that actually is in action. But for right now, they don't have an active demo. It's just mainly just education for a lot of dealers and representatives or whatnot. So very, very interesting. The Altitude CI, it looks like it's obviously thinner than the Altitude 16. They got Altitude 16 and the 32, and the 32 is massive. This thing is like really thin. One thing that I asked them is if in the future, let's just say they come out with more DACs, will you be able to add different DACs later on? And he said, as far as he's concerned, he doesn't know if that's possible with the Altitude CI. Whereas like the Trinnov Altitude 16 and the 32, you could swap out DACs or whatever. He said that he doesn't know if you will be able to do that with the CI, because he thinks it may be all on basically soldered or something, or unable to do it. So they'll have to look into that more. Right now, they're just training. They're not the actual engineers for it. So, but that will be something to think about. Also, the Altitude CI is going to start at $11,000 for 8 channels. You can do 2 channel increments if you want to, add 9 channels. You're gonna have to do 10 channels. If you want to add 11 channels, you're gonna have to do 12 channels. So it's 2 channel increments, and each increment is gonna be $1,250. So you can do it all the way up until 32 channels, which is interesting. I did ask him yesterday if it's worth getting the Altitude CI versus the Altitude 16 if you're only looking for 16 channels. And he said that you would end up saving about $1,000 if you went with the Altitude CI and you upgraded the channel to a 16 count. But he said the $1,000 you would save, you would need to use to get the Dante equipment to be able to run the Altitude CI. So basically, you might be better off just getting a Altitude 16. Plus, the Altitude 16 is more modular, so you can just swap out parts and stuff like that easier. Whereas the CI, they're not all the way informed in whether or not everything can be swapped out on the CI. So it seems like the CI is more like an entry level product to kind of get you familiar and used to the Trinnov system. So that's interesting. One thing he did say about the new software is that it's going to be coming to all Trinnov owners, I think, in December. So, everybody's going to basically have to relearn their Trinnov if they get the new software. But it's really, really easy, really, really intuitive, and it's probably going to be a better experience than what people are used to with calibrating or getting their systems up and running. So, as far as the staff, very, very informative. I've seen a lot of different stations, talked to a lot of different people, and Trinnov seemed to be more informed about their products than anybody I've talked to so far, other than whether or not the DAX can be swapped out. But they did say they are using the latest Saber DAX that they have available right now. So, obviously it will be a while before you would need any other DAX. But it's basically the Altitude CI in a nutshell. Would I get it? I don't know. It seems like the 16, if you need 16 channels, would be efficient. And then, you could also buy an external DAC. And I think the Altitude 16 can control 4 more channels. But if you have a big, huge, dedicated theater and you need 30 something speakers, Altitude 32 probably is the way to go. But yeah, I don't know. New product. Tell me what y'all think in the comment section. I'm out. Peace.